It only takes a moment to change the course of your life. For artist Iris Scott, that moment came when she stumbled upon a way to turn an elementary school pastime into a successful art career. If you create content, then you're going to love Iris Scott's story. Here's what happened. One day, as Iris was painting a canvas, she ran out of clean brushes. So she decided to finish the painting with just her fingertips. As she dotted, swiped, patted, and smeared paint on the canvas, Iris quickly discovered her fingers could grab the oil paints in ways she never could with a brush, giving her more control over her process. That's when Iris had an aha moment. I just looked at what I'd done and I was like, why is everyone else not doing this? You should just do that, she said to herself. You should work within that limitation. So Iris Scott decided to become the world's first ever full-time professional finger painter. But choosing to finger paint professionally didn't come without challenges. Finger painting is really good at some things and not very good at other things. It's not good at fine details, so she solved that problem by painting on very large canvases that allow her fingers to add detail and nuance on a bigger scale. Iris Scott changed how she painted and what she painted. What's her hidden secret? The obstacle is the way. Here's what Iris means by that. I found over the years that what's perceived to be an obstacle or limitation is usually an advantage in disguise, she says. It's amazing what can happen when you force yourself into a limitation. I need to ask you an important question. What's holding you back? What are the obstacles blocking you from being a world-class creative? Is it equipment? Your smartphone is all you need to produce great content. Is it knowledge? There are hundreds of online videos that can teach you anything. Is it opportunity? There have never been more platforms needing content. Is it experience? Well, that comes from being around people who do what you want to do. Is it understanding? Asking questions and listening is the key. The bottom line is this. You have to stop making excuses and decide to get past the obstacles standing in your way. Now is the time to be different and use your obstacles as a way to become the artisan you want to be. Won't happen overnight, but it'll sure be an amazing journey. Let's go on it together. Be sure to go to my YouTube channel and check out some of the other videos that I've posted with insights and takeaways that can help you learn how to tell better unscripted stories. Thanks for watching.